In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in QuickBooks Online when the payment has already been made. This is perfect for situations where you paid a supplier right away, maybe with cash or directly from your bank, and now you want your books to reflect that payment. You're not creating a bill to pay later, you're documenting a payment that's already complete, so your accounts and reports stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the Create menu, the plus icon at the top. From there, look under the Suppliers section and choose Expense. This form is designed for exactly this purpose, recording a payment that has already left your cash or bank account. At the top of the form, select the Payee. This is the supplier or vendor you paid. You can type to search for the name, and if the supplier already exists, QuickBooks will fill it in. Using the correct payee helps with vendor reports and keeps your supplier history clean. Next, choose the payment account. This should be the account the money actually came from, such as a cash on-hand account or a specific bank account. Picking the correct account ensures the expense shows in the right place on your balance sheet and in your bank register. Set the payment date. Use the actual date the money left your account. Accurate dates matter for cash flow and for matching your books to your bank statement during reconciliation. Now move to the Category Details section. In the Category field, select the expense account that best describes what you purchased, like office expenses or another relevant account from your chart of accounts. Choosing the right category is key for clean financial reports and makes it easier to see where your money is going. The description field is optional, but it's a great place to add context. A brief note like printer ink or client lunch can save time later when reviewing transactions or preparing for taxes. Enter the amount you paid. Double-check the number for accuracy. If your payment included multiple items that belong to the same expense account, a single amount under one category is fine. Accuracy here ensures your reports and bank balances remain trustworthy. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the expense, reduce the selected cash or bank account, and include the transaction in your expense reports. You have successfully recorded an expense in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.